This is a tool that we use for rotary broaching, and what I'm going to do is install this tool into a tool holder, and it's going to touch a part and start to rotate with it, and it's going to cut this shape in it. In this case it will be a hex. Now I'd like you to notice that it is a little bit dished on the end of it, and if I turn it sideways I'm hoping you can see that it is relieved. In other words, it's smaller back here than it is here. I'm going to introduce it into a tool holder, and it's going to come up and touch a part and is going to touch it at an angle. If the part rotates, this will start to rotate with it, and it's going to start to cut right on the edge here, and I'll push this into the end of the part and it will give us this shape. Now the part will have to be pre-drilled, and the size of the pre-drill is 3% larger than whatever it is across the flats. Also too, we have other shapes that we can use. There's a square shape, this is hex, and this one here is an internal spline or a Torx shape. This is the rotary broaching tool that has been set up into the tool holder in the turret of the CNC lathe, and as you can see, if I take it I can turn it and rotate it, and I'm hoping you can see that it has a hex on the end of it, and this is actually a 1/4 inch hex. Okay, so I have put the part in the machine, and we're going to turn the spindle on and bring the tools up to it. Now I have the door open and I have the coolant turned off so you can see what is happening with the camera. I have put cutting oil onto the tools, so normally it would be done with the door shut and with the coolant on, but we're ready to go. Okay, so first up we're going to bring in a center drill, and we're going to center drill the end of the part. Okay, next the turret will index and we will bring a drill bit around. And again, this drill bit is 3% over the size of the geometry I require. In this case it is 1/4 inch flats. Okay, so here's the drill, just slightly larger than 1/4 inch. Alright, now it's going to index around to the rotary broaching tool. Now you'll notice that the tool is not spinning at the moment, but once it comes into contact with the part, it'll start to spin. Okay, we're ready to start cutting. And you'll watch this rotary broach, once it touches the part it'll start to spin, and it's literally going to push itself into that drilled hole that we created. Now it's going to withdraw itself from the hole. And here is the finished product. So you will see the hole inside it, and you will see the hex shape. Please notice down inside the hole you will see the material that has been pushed ahead of the rotary broaching tool. That's it. Thanks for watching.